Here we've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app. Now click on the settings icon, and under camera options you will find self timer. So just click here and you can pick 2 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, then go back, and as you can see the picture will be grabbed after 10 seconds. And that's it. Whenever you'd like to switch the timer off, click on the settings one more time, go to self timer, click on disabled, and now as you can see there is no delay and the picture is grabbed right after you click. So this is it. This is how you can activate and also deactivate camera timer in your Denver. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.